Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is impact of positive self-talk and affirmations. Why you need to do self-talk, what's the importance of self-talk and what are affirmations. So this self-talk, positive self-talk of course. So this positive self-talk is something that you are going to talk with yourself. It's often happens that we talk with ourselves if we can't solve something, if some problems happen. We tend to talk with ourselves. Our mind feels it and keeps it reminding, and we talks within ourselves. It is a very common thing. It's a mind's chatter. What is mind's chatter and how to deal with those mind chatter problems? I have a video, you can go and check. So today I'll be talking about what is the impact of self-talk, how it's powerful, self-positive talk. So once you are self-positive talk is something that when you are feeling disheartened or in your life you are not getting anywhere, if you say these things to yourself that you can do it, you are the powerful one and you have good qualities, and if you try to feel those moments, those acts, whatever you have done so far, good things, because everyone has a certain collection of good tasks, good things, some award winning things that you have achieved in a life. So when you start to think about these things in your negative times, you definitely develop a self confidence within yourself, and this self positive talk is very important. So self-positive talk is important. The reason is that when you talk something to yourself, if you say this is not possible, obviously that becomes it's not possible. Whatever you feel, whatever you talk within yourself creates a vibration. If you're talking something negative in yourself, of course the negative vibrations would start to feel within yourself. You will feel more negative. So it's very important to talk positivity. The impact of positiveness is very effective, as like impact from negative things affect a lot. So positive talks is very important when you want to feel positive, and unless you feel positive you are not going to do things positively. So don't give negative things to create a place in your life. When you feel very much depressed in life, try to talk positive, try to find positive things in that particular negative situations, because every situation comes with some negative and positive both possibilities, which I have talked about in lots of my videos. You can go and check out. If you do check out, people who are watching all my videos would understand with what track I am going, and once you see these videos and follow accordingly, you will have a better life, you will have a better understanding for your own self. So this positive self-talk is important. The reason is that you have to create a negative and positive vibe within yourself when you are feeling a negative, because the more you will talk with yourself in positive manner, the more you will try to show yourself positive aspects of life. Positive vibes would create in yourself, and you will definitely find a way with your own self to create something. Because if you what the problem is that we generally don't observe our own actions. It's time to observe our own actions when we are feeling more negative. If you want something, maybe it could be a cake or a pastry. Suppose you want something, you are not getting it from your parents, or maybe your family members are not able to buy it. Maybe you are thinking it for so many days that you want it. The things which you don't get, of course you want them more. So when you that urge for eating that pastry would become more more vigorously. So you will think that you want it. One day you will think about it, 2 day you will think about it, third day you will think about it. So after that what happens is a positive vibe starts to create within yourself, and you get money some way. Maybe you work, or maybe you break your piggy bank and you go outside and you try to buy that. So this is how the positive energy creates within oneself. If you want to achieve something in life, when you're desperate to get that thing, when you love that thing, of course you will go to any extent to achieve that thing. So this is the positivity that creates in your within yourself, that originates within yourself, and this is more easy and more effective. This becomes more effective when you have a positive self talk. You have to say to yourself, you are the one, you can create anything you in your life you want to create. So you can ask me one question, that why most of the things don't happen if it's easy with self talk. Most of the things don't happen with self talk even after you are doing self positive talk. The reason is that you are saying it to yourself that this is going to happen, and the next moment you are going to forget it. So it has to be a process that you have to continue it every day, else it's not going to work. You have to say it to yourself every time you feel you want that thing, or you have to create a situation in yourself or around yourself that you feel the urge to have that thing, particular thing. It could be a job, it could be a course you want to do, or it could be a person you want to get married or make a relationship. So you have to create that urge within yourself. You have to think about that. You have to create a positive energy about that you have got it. So this process doesn't happen in a day, it takes longer time. So once you keep that particular pace for months, so after few months or after few years you find that thing you have achieved. Well, it depends on the time, depends on how much urgency you have within yourself about that particular thing. So you can have a track so far whatever you wanted to achieve in your life. You should keep a track. We don't keep a track about that. That is a big mistake. If you keep a track, you will understand how it works. You have that urgency in within yourself, or maybe you have created that urgency because your brain wanted that, your mind wanted that, your heart wanted that, and with that process you have taken actions because it was a need to take actions and you did it. You have done a lot of self positive talk. At the time maybe someone has talked some negative thing about that particular thing, but you may have ignored it. So this is how positive self talk works in our life. So next thing is, try to keep remember of whatever you have achieved so far in your life. Some of the things we don't achieve in life because we don't have that urgency for that particular thing. We somehow convince ourselves that this is, if we don't have this we can go on without this. So this is how we make ourselves, we convince ourselves. So this is the thing that stops us from getting that particular thing, because the urge that we should put a flame on, we try to put it down. We think that this is not that necessary, or maybe it's going to take a lot of risk, so we should not think about it. We stop thinking about it, and that's what happens is we don't get that particular thing. So this is the process of self talk. You have to do self talk about that thing, and connect yourself positively that you can do this thing, you can achieve this thing, and you have to create a belief within yourself. When once you keep doing this self talk every day, you create inside yourself a belief that you can achieve that thing, you are eligible to achieve that particular thing, and this is how your achievement happens. So friends, I hope this was helpful to you, and hope you are going to follow this and it would bring transformation in your life. So friends, do watch my videos, try to understand what prospect I'm talking about life, and how I'm trying to help you through my words to solve your daily life problems, make your life more easier. It's my purpose, it's my motive of life to help you all with my videos. So hope this was helpful to you. So definitely would come up with some topic that would help in your daily life. So thank you friends, love you all, bye bye.